Welcome back, guys. I'm Ryan, and today we are in the Tech Room, your trusty companion for all things tech. Whether you're a tech enthusiast looking for the latest innovations or a casual user seeking honest reviews, you've come to the right place. Join us as we dive deep into the realm of gadgets, gaming consoles, PCs, and more. In this video, we will be featuring the best laptop docking stations. If you're tired of your laptop looking like an octopus with cables sprouting in all directions, it's time to get serious about docking stations. Today, I've got a list of the best ones on the market. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. It's worth noting that the prices can change from time to time, so again, be sure to take a close look at the direct links for the updated price tags. On top of that, be sure to take a look at our landing page in the description for the complete list of all our products featured. So, let's get started. The fifth laptop docking station on our list is the ORICO 8-in-1 docking station, priced at $17.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. First up, design. ORICO's going for that minimalist brushed metal vibe. Perfect if you're pairing it with a MacBook, Surface, or any modern Ultrabook. It's lightweight, travel-friendly, and looks good sitting next to your laptop. This little 8-in-1 hub transforms a single USB-C port into a full-on control center. You're getting HDMI output, USB ports, Ethernet, SD card readers, basically everything your laptop forgot to include. I tested this on a MacBook Pro and everything ran like butter. 4K display fired up instantly, file transfers were quick, keyboard and mouse synced up. The power delivery is no joke. With PD 100 watt support, I was charging my laptop through the hub while running all my other devices, no slow charging and no overheating. Plus, that Ethernet port came through clutch. I love Wi-Fi, but let's be honest, it flakes. With this, I just hardwired in and got buttery smooth connection speeds for my Zoom calls and cloud uploads. This is a bit of a bummer, but if you're planning to set up a dual monitor workspace using both HDMI and VGA, the dock doesn't support simultaneous output from both video ports. It's fine for a single external display, just don't expect a full multi-screen experience from this model. Our team recommends this for students who want to have a full-blown productivity hub for under $20. This thing punches way above its weight. The fourth laptop docking station on our list is the Wavlink triple display docking station, priced at $39.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. Right off the bat, this thing turns a single USB-C port into a control hub. You get one DisplayPort 1.2, one HDMI 1.4, one VGA, two USB 3.0 ports, two USB 2.0 ports, a microSD and transflash card reader, a gigabit Ethernet jack, a 3.5mm audio port, and a 100-watt USB-C power delivery input that pushes 85 watt to your laptop. That's a lot of firepower in a surprisingly compact dock. Where this thing really shines is the triple display support. If your laptop has USB-C with display alternate mode, you can run 3 monitors at once, DP, HDMI, and VGA at 1080p. That means full multitasking glory. Browser on one screen, docs on another, media or editing timeline on the third. Even dual monitor setups look clean and sharp at 2048 by 1152, and if you're using a single 4K display, it supports up to 3840 by 2160 at 30 Hz. This is the kind of dock that fits in both minimalist workspaces and complex creative rigs. If you're serious about maximizing screen real estate and want a dock that means business, this Wavlink station is a powerhouse. Keep in mind that the USB-C port supports power delivery only, meaning it'll charge your laptop just fine, but you can't use that port for data transfer. Our team recommends this for multitasker who live with too many open windows. The triple display support is a game changer. The third laptop docking station on our list is the Wavlink Dual 4K Display Docking Station, priced at $95.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. This dock is all about visual firepower. It supports dual 4K monitors at 60 Hz, or even a single 5K display if you're working with a monitor that can handle it. With 2 display ports and 2 HDMI ports on board, you can mix and match your display setup depending on your monitors and cables. Everything from spreadsheets to timelines to code looks razor sharp. And it plays nice with both USB-C and USB-A connections, so you're covered whether you're running a Thunderbolt 3 laptop or a good old USB 3.0 setup. Port-wise, this thing's stacked 6 USB 3.0 ports for all your peripherals, gigabit Ethernet for wired speeds, and dedicated audio and mic jacks for clean sound. The setup runs off DisplayLink drivers, so you'll need to install those first, but after that, it's smooth sailing. Just a heads up, this dock doesn't charge your laptop, so while you're getting powerful display and data support, you'll need to plug your charger directly into your laptop to keep the battery going. Our team recommends this for creatives, professionals, and anyone serious about high-res multitasking. The second laptop docking station on our list is the Wavlink USB-C Universal Dock, priced at $99.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. Yep, another one from Wavlink. This one brings a ton of utility into one sleek little hub. Whether you're on USB-A or USB-C, you're covered. Just plug it into your laptop, and you've got dual HDMI displays, one running at 4K at 30 Hz and the other at 1080p. It's not quite dual 4K, but for most of us juggling documents, calls, and Netflix tabs, it's perfect. One of the standout features? 100-watt power delivery. That means if you're using USB-C, your laptop charges while you work. No extra power brick needed. And speaking of power, it comes with a beefy 130-watt power adapter, so nothing gets throttled. There are 4 USB 3.0 ports for your keyboard, mouse, drives, and one of them even supports BC 1.2 fast charging for your phone or tablet. You've also got gigabit Ethernet, a combo headphone and mic jack, and a surprisingly good USB GPU with content adaptive tech, which helps reduce CPU load during streaming or heavy browsing. In terms of performance, everything runs smooth. Streaming, check. Video calls, crystal clear. Downloads, stable and fast. However, the 100-watt charging only works with USB-C laptops that support charging. Not all USB-C ports do, so double-check your laptop before buying. Our team recommends this for work-from-home setups, students and office workers. It's reliable, versatile, and surprisingly powerful. The best laptop docking station on our list is the Wavlink 15-in-1 triple 4K display docking station, priced at $159.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. First impression, this thing means business. With just one USB-C connection, this thing unlocks 15 ports. Yep, 15. That means 3 HDMI ports, 2 display ports, 6 USB, both A and C, Ethernet, audio jack, and even a 100-watt charging port. It basically turns your laptop into a full-on control center. Triple monitors? No problem. You can run 3 4K at 60 Hz displays at once, and each can show different content. Perfect for video editing, gaming, or just having Slack, Chrome, and Netflix open at the same time. Just note, the third HDMI uses alt mode, so make sure your laptop's USB-C supports video output. Speed-wise, it's solid. File transfers are super fast with those USB 3.1 Gen 2 ports. We're talking up to 10 gigabits per second. You can move a huge folder to your SSD in seconds. And the wired internet connection, fast, stable, and way better than depending on spotty Wi-Fi. Power's no issue either. It comes with a 160-watt adapter that sends 100 watt to your laptop and powers everything else without breaking a sweat. It works great with both Mac and Windows, even the M1 or M2 Macs that are usually picky with docks. One thing to keep in mind, though, you'll need to install the DisplayLink driver unless you're on Windows 10 or 11 or Chrome OS. It's a quick download, no big deal. Our team recommends this for video editors, designers, and anyone working with graphics-heavy software. They will love the triple 4K at 60 Hz support and smooth performance. And there you have it, folks, the best laptop docking stations. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button. If you have a question or a product you want us to review, be sure to drop your recommendations in the comments below. Until next time, this is Ryan signing off, reminding you to stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our tech rooms great